If you look at this question, sine squared theta is equal to x square plus y square plus 1 divided by 2x, then what's the value of x is the question given. So we definitely know that sine squared theta should always be less than or equal to 1, correct or not? Why? We know that sine theta lies between where to where? Sine theta lies between minus 1 to plus 1, and sine squared theta will always lie between 0 and 1. When you square, there is nothing called negative value, right? So 0 and 1. So definitely sine squared theta is less than 1, less than or equal to 1. X square plus y square plus 1 whole divided by 2x less than or equal to 1. X square plus y square plus 1 less than or equal to 2x. X square minus 2x plus 1, like this I'll write, plus y square less than or equal to 0. So x minus 1 the whole square plus y square less than or equal to 0. You see here two squared terms and added can never become less than 0, right? These are squared terms, which means these are always positive, and when you add it, answer can never become less than 0. So if at all one equality that is equal to 0, if it has to be true, is true or is possible if and only if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. That is the only possibility, right? Because squaring and adding the terms cannot give you a negative answer, but it can give you the answer equal to 0 only when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. But here in this case, question is asking what's the value of x. X is equal to 1 is the answer.